door open. Oh, it's locked from the outside.
Come on, Dory, you can do it.
Destiny, Destiny. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Stop!
Dory, no, wait.
Dory! Bailey, where are they headed?
I'm losing out.
That's not good. Dang it!
Dory, it's over.
No, there's got to be a way.
Dory, now listen. There's no way to get out.
But there's got to be a way. There's always a way.
There isn't, Dory. I'm telling you. This time there is no other way.
Well, what about that?
There's a hatchet.
Holy carp, there is another way. Take a deep breath, kid.
I'm going outside.